Denver saw record rainfall on Wednesday, quickly turning into snow early Thursday. Heavy snow is expected to resume later in the day after a brief lull. Reports indicate massive snowfall in the foothills, with Eldora ski area seeing 30 inches and Nederland reporting 26 inches by 6 a.m. Thursday. While tempting for skiers and snowboarders, travel in the high country is strongly discouraged until early Friday. Snowfall rates could exceed 1 inch per hour in the metro area by Thursday afternoon. Neighborhoods around Denver and surrounding areas could see 8 to 12 inches of additional snow, with less expected north and east. Denver's airport had yet to see any snow by 6 a.m. Thursday, but it's expected to receive less than downtown. Travel will be extremely difficult in Douglas and Jefferson counties, with an additional 10 to 15 inches of snow expected through Friday morning. Higher elevations along certain corridors could see 15 to 25 inches more snow. Some foothill areas may exceed 4 feet of snow.